This is perhaps the most secure convoy in the world. The level of security provided to this convoy may even surpass that of the US president. This convoy is transporting a weapon from one place to another, and if anything were to go wrong during the transportation, it could result in the world's most dangerous weapon falling into the wrong hands. The consequences wouldn't just affect one country, but the entire world. Therefore, there can be no compromise when it comes to its security. The United States, as a superpower, takes extra measures in transporting its nuclear weapons. How exactly does the US manage this transportation? And how do federal agents handle a potential attack on such convoy? There are a total of 12,515 nuclear weapons in the world. And out of these, 4,100 with the United States alone. These weapons are scattered across different locations throughout the US. Some of them are active and are located in US Air Force military facilities and Navy submarines, while thousands are stored as backup across North America. The reason why these weapons are spread out is to ensure their safety. This is done so that in case of an attack by the enemy, they won't be able to destroy all the weapons at once. By dispersing the weapons across various locations, some will remain intact for defense purposes. When these nuclear weapons need to be transported, it's usually for maintenance purposes. Just like any military equipment, nuclear weapons also require maintenance to ensure they function properly when needed. These weapons are stored strategically, but maintenance often happens at a central facility, where special agencies like the National Nuclear Security Administration, NNSA, handle the security and upkeep of these weapons. Sometimes nuclear weapons must be moved due to security concerns, like if an intelligence agency leaks the location of these weapons. The security around areas where nuclear weapons are stored is so tight that unauthorized individuals cannot even get close to these locations. However, transporting these weapons on public roads presents a whole new set of challenges. To address this, the US government has established a specialized agency for nuclear weapons security. The military convoys used for transporting these weapons are unlike any other VIP security convoys. These convoys are made up of multiple vehicles, and the security is highly intense. The vehicles travel in a particular formation to ensure that the convoy remains safe. These convoys include police vehicles that block off rush hour traffic, and their job is to ensure that the nuclear weapons transport goes smoothly. The vehicles within the convoy are specially armored and are called Bearcats. These vehicles are not just bulletproof, they are highly fortified to withstand significant attacks. Inside these armored vehicles are trained federal agents equipped with a variety of weapons such as handguns, shotguns, assault rifles, and thousands of rounds of ammunition. In extreme cases, automatic machine guns are mounted on top of the vehicles. During regular operations, these agents stay alert and keep an eye on even the smallest details. Convoy is connected via radio communication on 3 different channels, allowing each vehicle to coordinate and share updates on the situation. If one channel is jammed by attackers, the convoy can still communicate using the other channels. The convoy also stays connected to an emergency control center that can deploy additional backup forces if needed. In the event of an attack, these backup forces, whether from the police or the military, will coordinate their actions using encrypted radio links and secret codes to confirm their identities. This is done to prevent attackers from impersonating law enforcement and gaining access to the nuclear weapons. The transport trucks used for carrying these nuclear weapons are not ordinary vehicles. They are custom designed for this purpose and are built to withstand extreme conditions. The body of these trucks is made of hard steel, which cannot be cut by common tools, and it remains intact even if exposed to fire. The driver's cabin is bulletproof, and the doors can only be opened from the inside. These trucks are heavy, weighing around 25,000 kilograms, which limits their speed and maneuverability. However, this weight is also a security feature. In case of an attack, the truck's axle is rigged with explosives, which will detonate if the vehicle is tampered with, rendering the truck immobile and preventing the attackers from taking the nuclear weapons. The truck carrying the nuclear weapon is also equipped with a highly secure electronic locking system, which can only be accessed by the National Nuclear Security Administration. If anyone tries to break into the container, An automatic spray gun inside the truck will release a thick, sticky substance that will hinder the person's movement. Additionally, if the intruder continues, they will be electrocuted with a powerful electric shock. Furthermore, the convoy is constantly monitored by helicopters. If the fuel in the helicopters begins to run low, they are immediately replaced by others to ensure that the convoy remains under constant surveillance. These helicopters carry additional backup forces who are also prepared to go to any lengths to protect the nuclear weapons. Due to all these stringent security measures, the risk of nuclear weapons falling into the wrong hands during transport is extremely low. Despite thousands of nuclear weapons being transported in the US over the years, there has never been an incident involving the theft or loss of a weapon. This is why, despite the immense power these weapons hold, the United States has managed to keep them secure, ensuring that they are never misused. While these weapons are capable of unimaginable destruction, the US has made it their priority to prevent that power from ever being misused. With thousands of successful transports over the years and zero incidents, the integrity of the nuclear weapons program is without a doubt one of the most secure in the world. For more fascinating stories and incredible insights from around the world, make sure to stay connected with us. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on the latest updates. Join our community of curious minds and let's explore the mysteries and wonders of the world together. Until next time, stay safe, stay curious, and keep exploring with us.